Hi, good morning everybody. Teacher Everson here once again with you. I have a question for you. What do you do every day? Well, I work. Actually, I was working. My student just left. Acabou de sair. And what do you do? Simple present. Questions. Well, let's remember what is simple present. Come with me, I'll show you. Today we're going to access here my blog, and in my blog there is this part here. So you tap here in the menu and then you're going to choose here present tense, and in the present tense it's going to show you the simple present. Some examples of the simple present. Why we use simple present? To talk about routines. Oops. Here, okay. So affirmative sentences with simple present. I work every day. I don't work on weekends. Oh, sometimes I work. For the third person of singular, remember to add the S. Example, he works every day. So work plus S for regular verbs. For negative sentence, you don't need to add the S. For example, he doesn't work on weekends. It's not necessary because we are already using does, the auxiliary verb. It happens in the negative sentences and questions. Right? So remember, the verbs. Work we use for I, we. Oops. Okay. I, we, you, and they work. He and she, it works. Irregular verbs. Two examples of irregular verbs. I have car. He has a car. I don't have a motorcycle. He doesn't have a motorcycle. See, in the negative sentence, it doesn't change anything. We only have to pay attention in the affirmative. I have, okay, no problem. He has, ele tem, right? So I hope it has helped you. Remember how to use simple present for routines, okay? Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.